Hi, I present to you the platform I've been using since October 2019. We'll trace its history and possibilities. We will check if it has fulfilled its promises and present its possibilities. I'll just add that I've been extracting COG coins since October with a deposit of over $12,000. Of course, it's inconvenient, because the minimum is $100, but I personally believe in this platform and I want to develop it further. Okay, let's start presenting the business plan. In version 2, you have a very clever quote here. Due to the coronavirus pandemic that has been going on for several months and the upcoming economic crisis, we can safely say that the old system of economic development is going to be overtaken. Blockchain technology and multimedia platforms are the future of our times. All the well-known companies on this slide are pioneers in their industry. The world is changing, and nowadays we hope that blockchain technology will change our economy and lead to development. Everyone was asking themselves this question. It's a shame I didn't buy Bitcoin when it cost $1. $500, $1,000, and so on. That's why we can't wait and wonder forever. We must act. And that's why I'm introducing you to CogPlay and showing you the possibilities. Because it is never too late to make your own decision. Not mine, but your own. I'm just showing you the possibilities. You decide what you do with those. Here you can read statements by Korean politicians about the CogPlay platform at the COG conference held on September 30th, 2019.
Now we play the waiting game.
Let's go to our CogPlay platform and its capabilities. COG means Keystone of Opportunity and Knowledge. It is a new generation digital content platform based on blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. You can get access to video content, games, shopping platform, and Webtoon. The platform offers access to a variety of video content and games where you can not only have fun but also earn money. How about a luxury worldwide shipping sales platform where you can buy top-of-the-line products? You just have to check it out. You'll find something for home, something for yourself, and even jewelry, electronics, or watches of well-known brands. CogPlay also has its own built-in cryptocurrency wallet with an internal exchange channel. Let's go to my favorite bookmark, mining. It is in this tab that we can make our BTCs or ETHs or USDTs start to extract COG coins for us every day. If he wants to withdraw, there is no problem. You can cancel mining at any time. But if you want to come back, you have to double your original deposit. CogPlay has many sources of income, thanks to which the value of their coins gradually increases. We are one big community and each member also creates added value for the development of the company. Let's discuss COG Token a little. COG Token is listed on two large stock exchanges, Bithumb and CBG. You can check the history on CoinMarketCap. Rapidly expanding business such as content, finance, and shopping. Token value increases as the platform is activated, able to pay for digital content and real products right away. Support cash withdrawal from ATM in the future. Link the coin value of the COG mining machine based on the actual currency. Prevent price plunge damage and generate stable profits. COG Token has a planned and wise monetary policy. The first step was to reduce the production and supply of coin, which increased its value. Demand of COG increases due to various content and shopping mall. Coins recovered by the foundation, such as product sales and commissions, are burned at regular intervals to reduce the volume of circulation. Supply is gradually limited and demand continues to rise, resulting in a natural rise in price. It can be used for various services or shopping. As more actively use the service, the more mileage will be accumulated. COG can be mined through cryptocurrency staking. COG can only be mined via CogPlay, able to increase the mining limit through additional staking or acquired mileages. A virtuous circle structure that can increase assets through mining and use. The COG token is dualized platform price and exchange price to induce stable value increase. This gives you an amazing opportunity to develop and maintain the safety of COG coin. Now let's get to know what you are most interested in. How many coins we can dig out, compensation structure, mining reward, deposit and interest. When you deposit amount will be converted into USD at the current market price, which becomes the base price. It will remain fixed. Even if the coin price changes, stable return is possible despite of coin price fluctuations. Additional deposit can be made. In case of additional deposits, it will be converted into USD based on the market price of the time of deposit and will be added to the existing balance. All interest payments stops when the total amount of passive, frontier, and level compensation reaches 200% of the principal amount. Additional principal is required for the continuous mining. Interest will be paid daily at 1 a.m. Korean Standard, based on deposit amount. Withdrawal. You may withdraw at any time. However, deposit will be providing after the withdrawal fee is deducted according to the deposit period at the time of withdrawal. corresponding to deposit principal USD is paid in COC. It will be deposited into COC wallet. Partial principal cannot be withdrawn. All deposit amount must be withdrawn at once. Interest can be withdrawn separately. Recommender bonus and level are initialized after 48 hours of withdrawal. In order to rejoin after the withdrawal, it is required to deposit twice as much as previous deposit amount within 48 hours. Compensation structure. Frontier compensation. If you refer someone else and the recommended person joins, the person who joins becomes your direct recommender. If my direct recommender refers another person, this person will be my direct recommender's direct recommender and my indirect recommendee. Recommenders are dividing as first generation, my direct recommender, second generation, my direct recommender's recommended person, and third generation, second generation's recommended person's recommendee. You may receive a portion of interest profits of the direct and indirect recommender in the form of recommendation bonus. Recommendation rewards are defined at different rate by generation. However, the number of generation that recommendation bonus is calculated depends on the number of direct recommenders, which is direct recommenders equals the number of generation to be calculated. For example, if I have 3 direct recommenders, I am only able to receive recommendation bonus up to 3 generation below myself. Recommended profits are referrers' passive compensation. Therefore, only mining revenue is calculated. If there are only 3 direct recommender, even there are up to n generation below myself, only until 3rd generation will be counted when calculating the recommendation bonus. If the number of direct recommenders are increased to 4, until 4th generation is counted. Similarly, if there are 10 direct recommenders, 10th generation will be counted. Main goals for the second half of 2020. So far, the companies have been implementing all their plans on time. Let's hope so. As a preparation process for becoming a global content that surpasses Netflix and Google in 3 years, we aim to secure more than 5 million members and majorize COC tokens. Step 1. Securing quality content. COC Play 3.0 update provides more powerful and convenient platform capabilities. Increase platform revenue by offering a variety of new services. Step 2. Secure 300,000 members in Korea and 5 million members worldwide through Frontier. Increases the content sourcing power and secures more diverse AAA class content. Step 3. Leading the rise of value of COC token and brand through listing on the world top tier exchange. Driving token value increase through FX trading and coin mortgage loans. The structure that expands into holders and consumers according to the speed of platform development centered on frontiers. The development center of the platform is Frontier. New service FX trading. The COC Foundation has partnered with NextGround, which operates the FX trading platform and is preparing to trade FX products through COC. FX Trading. The FX trading platform, NextFin, serving on the NextGround enables foreign exchange transactions with COC. NextGround is an FX trading platform created by the best financial experts in Wall Street. NextFin supports copy trading, which invests in the investment portfolio of FX investment, making it easy for users who are not familiar with foreign exchange investments to earn a return on investment. In particular, users can trade foreign exchange products directly with COC tokens, which has great significance in that the value of COC has been recognized like major coins such as BTC and ETH. Debit card is coming. Cash withdrawals are available from ATM through the debit card service on NextGround. Now use the COC token as freely as cash. New service COC token mortgage loan. Tenspace is the only Korean leading technology innovation company to be listed on the 2020 Cool Vendors in AI Inc. Banking and Investment Services selected by Gartner. It is Korea's leading technology innovation financial company, providing artificial intelligence financial crime tracking solutions to Nanhua USA, a U.S. securities firm AI Loan is in service, which analyzes the customer's SNS usage records to determine the customer's creditworthiness and examine the loan status. Along with the domestic banking sector, AI Loan is actively exploring overseas markets such as Southeast Asia and Japan. Tenspace will enter into a service partnership with the COG Foundation and selects COG token as collateral for coin mortgage loan products. Users can get a loan with the mined COG as collateral. It is the first altcoin besides BTC and ETH, and it can be considered that the asset value of COG token is recognized from a financial service. New service Futolado entered Taiwan market with Korea's No.1 Lotto analysis system. Lotto Rich is Korea's No.1 Lotto analysis system with approximate annual sales of 25 billion won in the second half of 2020. Plan to enter the Taiwanese market, which is 10 times larger than Korea's, under the brand Futolado, which COG Play will conduct a joint project. The lottery prediction service, which will make the lottery even more enjoyable for everyone, will not only enrich contents of COG Play, but also provide an opportunity to further grow the platform through the diversification of COG Play sales. New content City Tour 2048 and more. Games that are featured in Apple Global feature. Various games are scheduled for the second half of the year, including games that are featured in Apple Global, City Tour 2048, Cute SMG, Laser Pang Pang, and 10 million global downloaded puzzles, 1010. Especially games such as Laser Fang Pang and City Tour 2048 are developed by external developers, and as COG Play grows, requests for cooperation from external partners are increasing. In fact, leading domestic and foreign companies have been sending inquiries to COG Play to load their games. As a result, it is possible to secure content as well as profits. Please look forward to the new content as more diverse and fun games will be updated in the future. New content Dream City VR. Fantastic city life with VR. Dream City offers a fantastic world with VR technology, especially as Untact becomes important due to COVID-19. Interest in VR technology is hotter than ever as part of Smart Contact. COG Foundation realized the importance of virtual space and has developed the virtual space, Dream City. In the future, virtual space will become more important, and assets in virtual space will also be as valuable as those in the real world. Dream City, a fantasy space filled with various experiences as well as shopping, travel and community activities. Experience the joyful VR life here. New contents Webtoon. Launch the global Webtoon on COG Play. Webtoon is Korea's dominant K-content and the fastest spreading digital content in the world. Now you can enjoy the latest popular Webtoons on COG Play that are serviced on Google Play, App Store, and One Store. In the future, we will expand our entry into the secondary copyright production business, shopping, such as movie, drama, and animation production using Webtoon IP to create synergy between COG Play contents. Listing on top-tier exchange. In the first half of 2020, we plan to increase the usability and value of COG tokens through the listing of ZBG and Bithumb Global, the major global exchanges, through listing on the domestic and overseas top-tier exchanges in the second half of the year. We aim to become a global major coin of COG token. COG Play 3.0. First stage of milestone. Second stage of milestone. COG Foundation. This is the final element of the presentation, but I think that the knowledge about the people who are behind the project and who created it is very important for all of us. That's why I'm introducing you to the creators of our platform, which you can find in the search engine, and they are real people, well known in Korea, with great achievements. Community centers around the world operated by Frontiers. Keep all the milestones promised after the establishment of the foundation. Overachievements such as ranked at the #1 in Google Play and attracting the investment business expert COG, targeting various business fields such as game, video, finance, and Webtoon, responsible for listing on the exchange and value realization. Global COG, participation in 40 countries around the world, including Korea, China, Japan, and the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, the most famous figures of the COG Play project. CEO is Dong Sob Hwang, Best Entertainment Producer of Korea, Master's Degree at Yonsei University, Doctor's Degree at Hanyang University completion, Director of Korea Entertainment Producers Association, CEO of The Groove. The second character is Young Kang Cho. He is a CTO, Global Computer Engineer, Professor of Engineering at Yonsei University, Director of Samsung Electronics, Executive Director of SK Hynix, Research Director of NVIDIA, Chief Developer of BMC Software, Bachelor of Nuclear Engineering at Seoul National University, Doctor's Degree of Computer Science in North Carolina State University. Next is Ji-Won Kang COO, Center of Game Industry Network, Master's Degree at Hanyang University, Manager of Unilever, CEO of Wearsoft, CEO of SuperAcid, former subsidiary company of Nexon, and fourth person is Sung-Jun Park, CSO, Best Platform Strategist, graduate of Business Management of Seoul National University, co-founder of GameWave, Nexon, Cyphers, Dungeon and Fighter, CEO of Netgear, business strategist in HyperConnect. Efficient organization formation based on experts for platform business. Organically connected structure from content creation and source. Thank you for taking your time. I hope you enjoyed the COG token platform. If so, in the description of this video you will find instructions on how to download the application and register with the platform. Then just add the crypto values and start mining with them. Get